Hey guys, I'm Joe with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to check out Lagunitas' brand new 10% cocktail-inspired double IPA Tiki Fusion Zombie. So like I said, we're going to be checking out Lagunitas' Tiki Fusion Zombie. It is a cocktail-inspired double IPA coming in at 10. That's right, 10% and at 19.2 ounces and under $3. That's the scary part, people. This beer is cheap in cost. But is it cheap in all other aspects? Let's find out. This beer comes in at a 10% ABV, a 15 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.35. Cocktail-inspired hazy IPA with notes of orange liqueur, lime, rum, grapefruit, and allspice. An exotic fusion of brewing and mixology without the liquor. A forewarning for your senses. This exotic fusion of flavor has been crafted to conjure cocktailian notes of orange juice, fresh lime, grapefruit, and allspice, and brewed without summoning any liquor spirits. Our homage to the original zombie and tiki movement, both created in our home state of California. Just BYOTU. Bring your own tiny umbrella. All right, Tiki Infusion Hazy IPA that apparently looks like lemonade. I don't know how that's a hazy IPA. I mean, this actually looks closer to shandy than anything else. I can actually see my finger through it. Let me put it that way. That's not hazy. I can see through this. Head dissipated almost instantly. That's an interesting aroma. It smells like bathroom candles. Bad bathroom candles, like over waxy bathroom candles, like those tropical fruited waxy bathroom candles. It does state it's supposed to have notes of allspice. I don't know how they got the notes of allspice. Orange and lime and grapefruit. Like I said, tropical aromatics of bad candle, sure. And 10%. Look, I've had some really good 9.5. So another half percentage, it's doable. It is doable. Cheers. Woo. Woo. Ooh. What is that flavor? This has a weird flavor to it. The allspice actually kind of is there. I don't like it, but it is kind of there, and it's kind of artificial flavoring. I get a lot of like cinnamon style to this, and so imagine like cinnamon and artificial citrus in a clear double IPA. That's 10%, and you taste the alcohol. It kind of tastes soapy. I'm sorry, I really wanted to like this. It sounded cool, it sounded up there. I was kind of thinking, you know, what is that? Voodoo Ranger, Juice Force, all that type of stuff. Like, I really like Juice Force. That's 9.5%. Tastes like essentially juice. But you know what I'm talking about. That's like, this almost seems like Lagunitas is trying to push that style of the natural flavored IPAs, big IPAs, that are just full of alcohol that they can sell for cheap and then get away with it. Now, like I said, this was $103 from where I live for 10%. I rarely ever see that. That's why I had to buy this. And this is kind of leaning on that malt liquor side with really bad flavoring. I don't get rumminess, just citrus soap and allspice. So there might actually be a plus side subjective look to this beer. I do find it very interesting. I liked the cocktail inspiredness of this beer. I enjoy the beers and breweries that try to push the limit of flavors and still try to keep it semi-budget friendly. There's that balance, there is. Obviously, I know there's a lot of artificial flavors added to this beer and a lot of things done to this beer. They are probably not gonna admit to it, but it's all hop this and hop, no. 19 IBUs, this is not coming from hop flavor. This is stuff added to a malt liquor and then they hopped it. Very little. But it's fine. I know there's a market for that if it's done right. This one, not so much. The other plus side, I mean, it's $2.95 for 10%. I mean, really, come on. What do you expect, right? I don't know, man. It's hard to find something good about this beer. It really is. I have a few of them because like I said, it was under $3 and I was like, I gotta buy at least 4 of them. I will state this, there is zero burn to this 10% cocktail inspired Tiki zombie fusion, whatever they wanted to call it, between beer and cocktail. No alcohol. But that kind of scares me at the same time because I could just do this and just gag on the soap flavor, but I taste no alcohol. That can be dangerous for some who might like that flavor. And if that sounds like something you would like, honestly, I would still give this a try. For under $3, any beer with a weird flavor profile like this is worth a try. It's $3 for a drain pour. I don't care whether you want to do that or whether it's going to be becoming your next favorite beer. Give it a try. Give your taste buds a try. If anything, the $3 is good enough just to grow your palate. Open it up with your friends around or whatever. Share it and just either have fun making fun of it or see what everyone else thinks about it. And maybe one of them actually does like it. And that might bring that person to start liking beer. And that's really what craft beer is all about. So, cheers to Lagunitas. Thanks for making this, honestly. Really, thank you. Cheers.